Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals in-house, the Ric Flair of crypto love coming at you over the interwebs, through YouTube, straight to you guys. Hopefully it's a great time for us to be alive, guys. Everything's looking pretty good. You can see that Bitcoin is up again over 55,000, so it's looking pretty good, guys. And my next target for Bitcoin is around about 56,000. I think that's going to be incoming soon. We can see that the total market cap is getting closer to 2.5 trillion. So I said that we're going to get there hopefully by today, and I think we can still manage to do that. We've got some really interesting news to talk about. We've got we got to see the Biden administration right now. They're looking at appointing a head of crypto to coordinate with different departments like the Treasury, the SEC, National Security Department, and the CFTC, and other departments to kind of come up with a straw man strategy for crypto moving forward. And I think that's going to be really good, because I think what a lot of us want in this crypto space is we want to have a clear path forward. They've already announced that the Department of Justice already announced that they're going to have an enforcement agency to enforce crypto regulations and all that kind of stuff. So they already have an enforcement arm. So they just need to come up with regulations that they then can enforce, right? So overall, I don't think it's a bad thing, guys. We're also seeing that more and more senators and politicians are actually aping into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency like never before. So that's really good news, guys. So it means that we're going to have probably fair and balanced on the hill, because we're going to have some people who don't like crypto, and we're going to have some people that do like crypto. So that'll add a nice balance in Washington. So that way things just won't go in one direction. There's going to be some debate, and hopefully things will come out where everybody is a win-win situation. So also too, we're going to talk about we're seeing that the amount of VC venture capital that's flowing into crypto right now, and Bitcoin is the highest it's ever been in history, guys. So that's really good news. Remember, this video is for educational purposes, and this is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, guys. I'm just an OG in the house, just trying to give you some information. And remember, I always try to be fair, balanced, and unbiased. I don't prefer one coin over another, with the exception of Doge. I love Doge, guys, and Doge is not only, we don't love Doge on this channel because it's a cryptocurrency. We love it because of what it stands for, and Doge is about doing only good every day, guys, and that's something that we take to heart here, and that's why we give back to the community, and we're going to talk about that as well. We've got some other news that's coming out. You all know that Binance has been kind of kicked out of South Africa, so Binance is in trouble again, over regulatory FUD and this and that. So it's not FUD, it's actually they got kicked out. So we're seeing that also. We're going to talk about the technicals of Bitcoin. We're going to talk about the technicals of SHIB, guys, and also the Shiba Inu. And we're also going to talk about technicals of Dogecoin, Solana, ADA, and Avalanche in the house. Then we're going to review the coin markets as well. And I'm going to give you my opinion and see where Dogecoin is going and where SHIB's going. Because we can see that, on the 3-hour chart for Shiba Inu, we jump into that. We can see a huge descending triangle, and it looks like SHIB is gearing up to break out of that triangle. If it does, that's going to be a good pump to the upside. But right now we can see that Shiba Inu here in Asia on Sunday has been breaking down a little bit. It's down between 5 to 8%, depending on what time you look at the charts, guys. And remember, different charts like Binance or Bitstamp or other charts are going to have a little bit of slippage. And what that means is different exchanges, what they do is they pad out the price of the coin that you're looking at, because when you buy and sell, then they take a little bit of the slippage, because that's how they make profit on fees and slippage. So sometimes you'll see that Bitcoin is a different price on this exchange or on that exchange, and it goes for SHIB, goes for Dogecoin as well. So the prices on Bitstamp for Dogecoin or Coinbase can be different as they are on Binance. So just guys, keep that in mind. Remember, some really important advice that you guys really have to take to heart is when you're looking at buying into projects, you've got to do your own research. Look at the tokenomics, look who's behind it, and read the white paper or the project paper. And that's found on most of the websites of the coins you're looking at. Also, too, just going to give you guys a quick warning and a heads up. Now, remember, when you're transferring coins around, make sure that you're using the right transfer protocol, because, for example, if you have Trust Wallet and you want to send something to Coinbase, for example, remember Trust Wallet, they use the BEP20 or the BEP2 protocol, and where if you're sending BEP20 coins, if you're using BEP20 coins and you're sending it to your Coinbase, which doesn't accept BEP20, Coinbase only accepts ERC20. What's going to happen is those coins are going to get hung up in limbo, because remember, Coinbase and a lot of other wallets, they don't support BEP20 and BEP2. So you guys have to be very careful. Make sure when you're transferring coins, make sure you check the protocol. Just because it says, Snow coin, which is not a real coin, just made it up, and it's on BEP2, and then Coinbase also has Snow coin too. Remember, you have to look at the underlying transfer protocol. It's really important, because if you don't do that and you send if you send Snow coin via the BEP20 network to Snow coin on your Coinbase using ERC20, what happens is the coins will never arrive. They'll never arrive to your Coinbase, and they'll be stuck forever and ever, unless the receiving wallet starts to support BEP20. So what happens is basically BEP20, it kind of wraps the coin on using the BEP20 protocol. It transfers it, and if on the other end they don't have something to unwrap it and convert it to ERC20, then your coins are stuck, guys. Your coins are stuck. I mean, I have a super member in the house who said, "Oh gee, what can I do? I just transferred a whole bunch of my coins from my Trust wallet using BEP20 protocol to my Coinbase, which is ERC20, and basically the coins never arrived, and they will never arrive. But you can still see the coins if you go on the BEP20 blockchain explorer. You'll see your coins there, stuck there. And it's really frustrating. That didn't happen to me. That happened to me about a year ago by accident. I was transferring some Ethereum from my Binance account, and then when you transfer your Ethereum, it asks you to choose the network. Well, I was using 3G at the time. Okay, so 3G is pretty spotty in Vietnam, and I know that you have to choose ERC20. So I thought I chose ERC20, but when I click OK, I clicked the pull down for ERC20, it was still in the BEP20 mode, and it got transferred. And then my receiving wallet is a ERC20 wallet. So I have about $25,000 worth of Ethereum that's stuck. It's just stuck on the BEP20 blockchain, and it's gonna stick there forever unless my receiving wallet, which is a centralized exchange, unless they start to accept BEP20 protocol and convert on the back end and then deposit into ERC20. It's stuck there, so it's kind of I know better, and it was a 3G problem because I pushed the right protocol, but I guess that didn't go through actually, but on my app on my phone it looked okay. So yeah, I learned my lesson, so I'm ultra careful about that. You guys need to be very careful. Double check what protocols that your centralized wallets do accept that you're transferring to, so you can get burned, guys. So just be careful with that. So without further delay, let's jump into content right now, guys. Yeah, guys, and please go back. We got some amazing, huge news, guys. It looks like we saw there was a huge whale that bought about $6.3 trillion worth of, 6.3 trillion SHIB coins, and that's a huge amount, guys. And I believe that's Robinhood, who have been stacking up on the SHIB, Shiba Inu coin, because they're going to be allowing you soon to do trading on the Robinhood platform with the Shiba Inu coin. And also too, we also saw that there was a petition that went around online. About 203,000 people signed up and said they want to have Shiba Inu be allowed and accepted on Robinhood. So let's see how that unfolds. Remember, just be careful. Don't remember, often in this business, buy the rumor, sell the news, guys. So the rumor is that Robinhood's going to accept the Shiba Inu coin, and so that's a rumor, and that's why we saw some pumpage up over 300% recently for the Shiba Inu coin. So it's come down a little bit. So once that does get announced, you may see a quick flash upward, and then you may see it come down, guys. So just keep an eye on that. You guys want to be safe out there. And guys and gals, if you love this channel like I love you guys, and I do love my community, without my community, without my guys and gals out there in YouTube land, this channel wouldn't be possible. I would not be able to do this. And I just want to say God bless all of you. Thank you, and thank you. Spread the good vibe. Spread the good vibe, guys. And don't forget to go down there, smash the likes. It looks like that's an icon. Smash the likes, guys. Because a lot of you are watching. We get thousands and thousands of views on the videos, but we don't get a lot of likes. We need to get those likes up. That's the most important. It tells the YouTube algorithm that you love this content, and that helps push it out. It helps spread the good word, helps spread the good message, guys. Remember, this channel is about cryptocurrency, it's about crypto fun, it's about crypto love, and it's about you and me just being more positive and trying to bring some more positivity out into the world, guys. So that's what we're trying to do here. And with that being said, don't forget to subscribe. BYBY. Let's jump into the fear and greed index right now. So fear and greed right now is still at 71, guys and gals. And last week it was neutral at 49. So it looks like we're still moving up into the greed area. We're not in extreme greed. When we start to get into this area, the extreme greed, that's a good time that you may want to be looking at taking some profits and selling some of your coinage. And I really believe that altcoins are actually going to explode in November. That's where I'm going to see a lot of altcoins absolutely taking off to the moon. And I think it's a great time to be alive, guys. And you know it, and I know it. Crypto is set to explode, guys. Just adjusting my camera. So crypto is set to explode, and I think we're going to see the $63,000 Bitcoin coming in, guys, for the end of October. We could see $6,000 Ethereum. I'm pretty confident that we're going to see 40-cent Dogecoin coming in, and then we should see hopefully maybe the Shiba Inu coin start to move up to all-time highs again. And remember, TA only works until it doesn't, and nothing is printed in stone. Because if I got every crypto that I called going up correct, I would be a multi-billionaire and I'd own planet Earth. And I don't do that because remember, crypto is volatile, guys. All the newbies out there, remember, if somebody on YouTube says it's absolutely 100% going to hit that target, then they don't know what they're talking about, and they're just hyping up the coins to get views and make you feel good. So I'm not here about making you feel good. I'm here to tell you exactly how it is, right? And just a full disclosure, I don't own any Shiba Inu coins, but I think it's a coin that's worth covering because a lot of my users, a lot of my members, and a lot of my subscribers out there in YouTube land, they actually hold both Doge and Shiba Inu. And so that's why I'm covering, because a lot of my members and subscribers are asking, can you cover it? So I'm covering. You know why? Because I love my subscribers. I love my YouTube family out there. So I want to build a sense of community, a sense of love, and that's why I'm covering it, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. So we're looking at this right now. We're seeing that the amount of VC funding invested in startups in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and crypto ecosystem has exceeded 8.8 billion in Q3 2001. So this is absolutely the largest amount of VC capital that we've seen flow into crypto startups in history, guys. And this is really huge, guys. So it just means that VC capital, they have a huge appetite for crypto, and we're seeing more and more institutions ape into crypto like never before. We're seeing big companies like Google and Apple and other companies like that. Basically, they want to get into it because of the regulatory framework around about accounting. They have to wait for that to change, because if you buy Bitcoin at $1 and it goes down to 50 cents, then you have to put that 50-cent loss on your books. The other problem is if you buy a Bitcoin for $1, for example, and it goes up $2, well, that's $1 profit, right? But according to the accounting practices, you can't claim and you can't say that you've made $1 profit. You're not allowed to do that until you actually sell your Bitcoin. So nobody wants to do that. It's kind of prohibitive. So some corporations that have due diligence and really good governance, and they have a board of directors and not one single shareholder, they've got to be very careful. And that's why we're seeing that when this ETF absolutely happens, we can see more and more companies are going to ape into crypto vis-a-vis the ETF, because it's going to be regulated and it falls under a different accounting practice. So that's one way to get exposure into BTC without having this kind of weird accounting system for crypto when corporations buy it, guys. So here we're looking, this is from Alan Yu, and he's looking at, he's projecting that we got 73 days until we hit the cycle peak. And he's projecting that the cycle peak for Bitcoin will be about 216 to 279K. So that's what he's predicting, that we got 73 days left till we see the cycle top. So that's about just over 2 months and some change. 2 months and some changey change before we see the top. And he's predicting that we can see an all-time high, a maximum of 216, 279K for Bitcoin. I really hope that happens. I mean, I'm more conservative. If we can get Bitcoin up to $94,000 to $100,000, that's going to be pretty peachy keen for me. I'm okay with that. So some other news that we're looking at right now is we got Shiba Inu is now the top 20 cryptocurrency, and it's gone up almost 300% in 9 days. So if you guys were holding a Shiba Inu and you bought at the bottom, and you'll be able to cash out at the top, you guys made bank. You guys made bankety bank, and you're up 9%. But if you bought close to the top and you didn't sell, and things have gone down around about 7 to 8% now, so you're basically, your SHIB's underwater. So the only thing you can do is wait till it goes up, or you can dollar cost average right now to bring down your strike price. So those are the only options right now. So SHIB is still looking pretty strong. I think that we could see another pump coming in pretty soon if we get this Robinhood announcement. But that pump will be very short-lived. It'll be like a flash crash pump. It'll be like a flash pump, but not the crash. Delete that, my mistake. It'll be a flash pump to the upside, and then a lot of people FOMO. There'll be a lot of FOMO. The price will actually skyrocket, probably in a very short period of time, and then it'll drop. So guys, just be careful if you do hear that, and don't ape into that and FOMO into the top, because that can be very dangerous, guys. So some other news we're talking about, a lot of politicians are now aping into crypto, and we can see that Wyoming Cynthia Loomis, who has recently disclosed that she has bought 50 to 100K of Bitcoin, and she's a big Bitcoin cryptocurrency maximalist. She's been one of the stronger proponents of crypto out there in the hill. So that really helps support the crypto family, you guys in YouTube land who are holding crypto and love crypto like I do. And so she's got a lot of sphere of influence over there in Washington. So she's keeping it fair, she's keeping it balanced, and she's going to make sure that we don't get railroaded and too much regulation rammed down our throats. So that's really good news, guys. So Cynthia, if you're watching that, we love you, sis, and thanks for supporting the OG. Thank you for supporting the Doge Army and the whole tribe here, because we love crypto and we love you. So woo, let's get it, guys. And don't forget to go down there, smash the smash those likes right now. You want to show the OG some love in the house. And if you're watching this in the live stream, don't forget to give us some super chats right now. Remember, all the super chats, they go to charity. And guys and gals, don't forget to check out our merch, guys. Our merch, we got hats, hoodies, and stuff. All of this goes to charity, guys. It goes to charity, and all the patrons, all the coffees that you buy, and the super chats go to charity to help help feed the homeless and the orphans here in Vietnam. So yeah, guys, show some support, show some love for the OG. So why Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin surged this week? So we're seeing that right now this week. Brought good news to investors of crypto land out there. We saw that Bitcoin went up 15% this week, Ethereum went up 8%, and Dogecoin, Shiba Inu also went up 266%. We also saw that Dogecoin also went up this week as well. So you're seeing that overall Dogecoin is also up 12.89%. So that's not too shabby, guys. So things are looking pretty good for the Doge, guys. So some other news that's coming in right now, we could see that Polkadot could be looking at a 200% pump soon. So, Polkadot's done that in the past. And I really believe that, Polkadot's a really good pickup. This is not financial advice. And Polkadot right now is trading at, let's jump into that. So Polkadot in the house right now is trading at $36. And, they're saying that we could see Polkadot go up about 300%, 200%. We could see $100 coming in pretty shortly. So, guys, I still don't think it's too late to pick up some Polkadot. It's a layer one solution, smart contracts, the whole thing, and there's a lot of decks and apps being built on top of it. So it's a good project to get into right now. And I think it's Solana had its huge pump up to 200, just over $200. It's come down considerably since then. But I think it's now Dot's turn to shine and pump, guys. So that's really good time to be alive. So let's just take a look at the what we're going to do here is going to take a look at the crypto prices, and we're going to look at the market cap. We're going to take a look at we do some Bitcoin TA, do some Ethereum TA, then we're going to jump into the Doge and the SHIB TA, give you my recommendations, guys. So keep watching this, and don't forget to smash those likes right now. So we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at 55,090, and that's up 0.6%. We're still up 15% for the whole week, so it's not too shabby in the house. Now Ethereum is down for the day. It's at 3,577, and we're still up 5.2%. ADA is doing what ADA is doing, just kind of going sideways. I think we should get a big huge burst maybe next week sometimes, so keep an eye on that. It's at $2.25, down 0.5%. BNB is also down 1.26%, and that's because we see that announcement coming out of South Africa. Solana is down 2%, so 155. DOT is up to $36 we talked about. It's up almost 4%. It's up 13.16% for the whole week. My Doge in the house is it's basically neutral right now. It's at 24.5. So Doge is actually doing pretty good, guys. It's performing better than a lot of the other old coins right now. And SHIB is at a whole bunch of zeros on 27, and it's at down 3.26%, but it's up 235% for the 7 days, but we're still 30% off our all-time highs that we painted 5.1 months ago. So remember, all-time high is 5.1 month ago, and it was almost the same time that the Doge also printed an all-time high, guys. So let's take a look at the market cap in the house right now. So we're seeing right now the total market cap is at 2.348. So we're getting close to we're getting pretty close to 2.4, and I think we could still see 2.5 trillion coming in for the total market cap, and that's going to be really good because it's going to add some more money, some more liquidity to the markets, and that when we should see more and more of the coins start to pop off and go to the moon, guys. So I love it, you love it. Let's get it, guys. So let's take a look at the Doji Woji in the house right now. So Doge is trading at 2461, and this is on the daily, and we're still we followed our LA wave pattern, and we're still kind of going sideways. We got some overhead resistance at 25,522. We need to break past that. I think we're just going to go sideways for most of the weekend. It's a it's a happy Sunday here. It's Sunday evening. The sun is going down, and you can see I've got mountains and sea behind me. So the sun's about to go down. I think we got about 15 minutes of light, and then that's it, guys. But hopefully, when you guys in America take over, things will start to pump. So, I believe that if you also take a look at this pattern here, we can also see that I would say this is kind of more of a bull flag. Here's the top end of that. Here's the top of the flag here, right here, and the top of the flag is at the 25.2 resistance, and here's the bottom of that flag here, right here, boom, and here's the flag pole kind of going in this direction here. And my charts are not doing so good for me today. So this is the bottom of that flagpole. So if we look at that, we have the LA wave pattern. We could also see a breakout to the upside anywhere up here to kind of this perspective here. So the also the bull flag that's forming now also gives us some confluence between the Elliott wave and the bull flag structure. So we could see ourselves getting ourselves up to 35 cents by the end of the month, and I think the short-term target is about 30 cents, guys. So with that being said, let's jump into the SHIB technicals right now. So you can see this is the 3-hour chart for the Shiba Inu. We got this huge descending triangle that goes all the way back to the 7th of October. We got our support line. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touching points. So this validates the structure here. We've also got touching points here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this also validates the structure. So what Shiba Inu needs to do is it needs to break out of this descending triangle. If it doesn't, then it's probably going to break down below this descending triangle. So a descending triangle is often very bullish, so we should see a breakout pretty soon. But we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attempts. Then we started again. 1 was in the green, and we had 2 in the red. So we're seeing more red candles right now on the 3-hour chart. So just keep an eye on that. Hopefully we can break out soon. We also have some overhead resistance at 0.003368, and we have some major support along this level right here. So you can see that we have some support here. So I think that the worst case for SHIB, if we do break down, we'll probably break down to the 0.01981 level. So that's where I see SHIB right now. So we just keep an eye on that. We need SHIB to kind of break out. If it doesn't break out, then we could be going down. So I give it right now about a 60% chance that we're going to break the upside. Remember, we got some huge overhead resistance here at 3347. So, and then we have some more resistance here at 3904. So if we can punch past that, then our next stop is at 3904. So hopefully that makes some sense to you guys. Hopefully that makes you feel good. So it's not looking bad. It's not looking good. Right now we're seeing that the SHIB is down almost 3.5% right now. So just keep an eye on the structure, guys, and keep watching the videos, keep updating. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes if you want to see more of SHIB updates like this and some more SHIB news, guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now. We've only got about 13 hours left of this week, and right now Bitcoin is at $55,026. We're well above the 21-day EMA, so that's really bullish. Looking pretty good, guys. And you can see right here we had this bull flag for Bitcoin. We've broken out. Our next level of resistance is at 56. I think we can hit 56. We got danger close. We got rejected. We got rejected at the 55,885 level. So let's just call that 56. Pretty close. We got rejected, and we've gone down again. And we got some major support around 54,482. So that'll give us some major support. I think we'll be able to break through 56,000, if not tonight, here in Asia, or early morning in America. I think we'll be able to do it, but definitely Monday we're going to be seeing $56,000 incoming, guys. So that's a great time to be live. And we can see that Ethereum right now is trading at 3,574. It's kind of going sideways. I would have preferred it to go into this channel, but it hasn't. So we just have to keep an eye on that. It's just basically going, it's slowly going up. We're painting higher highs and lower lows in general. Sure, there's some deviation from that, but I'm seeing there's a lot of confluence here, and we have some overhead resistance at 3,686, and you can see here, let me just make that a little bit bigger. We've seen that Ethereum has hit it once, come close, so this is looking like it's providing a bit of a major headache for Ethereum right now. But I think once Bitcoin does take off, we're going to see that Ethereum will take off. But overall, the structure is looking pretty good. It's pretty bullish. It's an upward trending. It's in this upward trending channel. Let me just widen this channel a little bit. But it's looking okay, guys. I wouldn't worry too much about it. ADA is just going sideways. We had also a bull flag here. We kind of broke up, we got rejected, and we've just been going sideways ever since at $2.25. We've got some major support at $2.15. Worst case scenario, I think we're just going to go sideways, and then when we get some really good news, we can see ourselves blasting up to the moon, guys. So let's take a look at Solana in the house. So Solana broke out of this descending triangle, which is very good, and it looks like it's creating another descending triangle structure from the top here. So if we move this wedge here, we can see that from here to here, it's kind of making another descending triangle right here. Let's do some adjustments here, but we have broken out of that new descending triangle here, and that's pretty. We broke out of it, we got rejected, and we broke out of it and got rejected, and right now we're trading at $155, just above the 154 target. So keep an eye on that. I think that once Bitcoin makes a move, that Solana should make a move to the upside, guys. Just keep an eye on that. Avalanche is also doing pretty much similar to what Ethereum is. It's just kind of going sideways, kind of boring. It's at $59.95. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to follow me on Twitter right now. Guys, follow on Twitter. I've got 2,566 people on follow. Guys, you're going to get tips, tricks, and you're going to get some really top-notch information, and you never miss a notification right here. And guys and gals, just want to say God bless each and every one of you. I love you guys to death. I love you, love you, love you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. You made it, guys. You made it. Don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe, baby. And guys, don't forget to check out all of my linky winkies. Buy the channel a coffee right here. Do it right now. Become a Patreon member, and check out Zen Music as well, the wife's channel. Go to Zen Music, subscribe your wifey over there, and happy wife, happy life, guys. Get it. This is kind of relaxing music, kind of massage your brain there. And one other thing that I need you guys to do is go check out my merch, guys. Check out the merch. We got hats and hoodies, and don't forget to check out the infamous Mug the Mug. So with that being said, guys, I want to say God bless you. I'll see you in the next one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. And if you love this content, don't forget to comment, smash the likes. If you want to see more info on the SHIB, just some technical analysis moving forward, let me know in the comments. I love the Doge. I love you. I love everybody. Guys, God bless each and every one of you. Let's spread the good word. This is the OG, the crypto love in the house, the crypto Ric Flair. Woo! Guys, let's get it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Woo! It's a great time to be alive.